Okay, let's go. We are going to answer some comments we got from our latest videos. So we will start with this one from the European languages. He asks if Kokoro will be able to create a voiceover for 2,000 to 4,000 words at once. So what I just did is I got the comment and I went to a word counter, got a voiceover text of 1,800 words and put it into Kokoro to test it. So what happened was that it took a while because my server on Hetzner is currently this one, SPX31. It's not the fastest, but we generated the audio file, as you can see over here.
Ava shivered as she pressed her // in a metallic.
It's 30 minutes long, so the full file is generated. So to answer the question simply, it's possible to generate those long voiceovers. The second thing I would like to talk about is there are several options that you can speed up this process. When selecting a model in Kokoro, you will see several options, each one optimized for a different trade-off between speed, memory usage, and accuracy. FP31 is a full precision using 32-bit floats. It gives the most accurate results, but is heavy on the memory and slower to run. FP16 uses half precision. It's about 50% smaller and faster, with only a slight loss in accuracy. A great balance for most users. Model quantized 92 megabits and the 86 megabits are ultra compressed versions, good for fast responses and low resource environments. So if you want to create those long voiceovers, you could test and try a different quantization to see if the result is better, or just keep it on the best model and generate voiceovers like this.
She said the scars whenever she glimpsed a glint of steel.
So let's continue. The second question. Hey, can you also record a video where you crawl websites and take screenshots by Crawl4AI? When it comes to scaling, Crawl4AI is cheaper option. Yeah, that's a great question. The nice thing about Crawl4AI, when you have installed it, you will be able to stress test your server. So you can just go to your playground, press stress test, run stress test, and it will run a stress test. But to make it a bit more fun, I got a workflow over here that I'm currently building with several options. So what we are doing over here is we are able to use Crawl4AI, use Firecrawl, and check the differences between them. So in this small 3 nodes, we are going to scrape a page with Firecrawl.ai. So let's see the result. For the old fanatic crypto lovers, this is an old website where you could turn on the chart and listen to the price go up and down. So this is a binary file, so we have to convert it and we can see the result. So this is the result. It's pretty cool and pretty good. So this is just self-hosted. So let's go to the next one. It's pinned, so we are still, I need to activate the trigger, schedule trigger. So let's just do this so we get immediately the result. And scraping the page to see what the result will be. Let's see, let's wait out, there it is. And this is coin analysis. And as you can see, we scraped the page and we made the screenshot. Let me see if we have another option. This was not that one. This one, yeah, we can try this one. Let me activate the schedule trigger and then we can test it. Let's see how it does with a website where there is a bit more security, and let's check the result. Oh, we have to adjust a couple of things in here. So if you go back to the Crawl4AI node, we could add a parameter to give, let me see if I have it over here, like this, screenshot wait for, it just to let the page render a bit longer. So let's try it again, and let's see what the result will be. You can play around with these kind of settings. The nice thing about self-hosting is that it won't cost you a thing. You can just keep on adjusting and testing all the little tweaks to make it fit your look. This is a much better screenshot of the whole page. So I hope this answers your question. Let me see the last question. Can you tell me if it's possible to test your API servers? Are there any models for testing, maybe for free? Yeah, of course, they are available. So if you go to samautomation.org, you could grab an account and try it for free. You will get 5 video rendering generations for free. If you have any other questions, just let me know in the comment. I will answer all your questions and comments in a new video.